Are you tired of vague promises about earning money online? What if I told you that there are real, proven strategies to earn money from the comfort of your own home? Stick with me and I'll share those proven strategies with you. I know it feels like every make money online video promises you the moon, but that doesn't actually happen, right? It is overwhelming. There is so much information out there about making money online, but how much of it is actually true? There are so many videos that turn out to be scams. There are videos, there are courses that promise to teach you all about digital marketing. These courses, yes, they might give you information, but they don't really give you any steps to help you get started. There's no real worth to them when it doesn't get you started on your making money online journey. And there's a lot of fear with making money online. It's something new. A lot of people are afraid of failure. They're afraid they lack the skills to actually make money online. And they're just plain afraid to step out of their comfort zone and into something new. I searched Google for months just trying to figure out how to make money online. I was trying to understand how it all worked and quite frankly, how to get started. It all just seemed so confusing. So yes, I was right there where you are today, searching for answers, skeptical of scams, and unsure of where to begin. But I can tell you that it is possible if you know the right steps to take. Comment below and let me know, what is your biggest barrier to starting your online money-making journey? Put it in the comments. Let's see how many of us have the same barriers and we can discuss and learn from each other. Why digital marketing is effective and accessible. So ultimately, I decided to go with digital marketing as a way to make money online. There are several reasons for that. The first one was the flexibility. I was able to fit this in around my full-time job. Yes, I still have a 9-to-5 job, and I was looking to make some extra money to start off. I was able to do the digital marketing, all my income earning activities in the nooks and crannies of my day. In about 2 to 3 hours a day, I was able to do this side hustle and start earning some extra money. So you can do it in like a 2 or 3 hour block if you have that. Personally, I have kids. I didn't have a 2 or 3 hour block in my day. So I spread it out a little bit here, a little bit there to get that all accomplished. So it is completely flexible. You make it work with your schedule and your family's schedule. The other thing that's great about this is the scalability. What that means is you can start small. As I just said, I'm still working full time. So I'm doing this as a side project, side hustle, whatever you want to call it. So I'm starting small. I'm not like going at it full time yet. But I'm able to go step by step and build it slowly, taking into account my family and my time. So just kind of putting that all together. The other thing that I thought was good about digital marketing, yes, I invested in myself. I'm not going to start something without getting training on how to do it. I'm a teacher. That's my nature. I'm going to learn how to do something right the first time so that I am equipped with all of the skills I need to be successful. So with that being said, yes, I did invest in myself, and it is a low startup cost to get you started, to learn how to do digital marketing and the steps you need to follow. There are a few different ways you can get into digital marketing. The first is affiliate marketing. Now, with affiliate marketing, you are selling a product or course that somebody else made. Really, any digital product that was made by someone else, either an individual or a company. You are going to sell that product using the link that you get. Anybody that buys through your link, you get a percentage of that profit. The percentage could be anywhere from 10% all the way up to, I think I've seen 90% at the highest with affiliate marketing. So that is one way to get started. There's also content creation. So if you're creative and you like making videos, this might be right up your alley. You can create content, could be promoting the product that you're selling. And you can do this through beginning a YouTube channel, starting a blog, maybe just going on all the different social media platforms and creating content, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, to name a few. Those are all great ones to use. There's also selling digital products. This is where you would be selling things like e-courses and e-products, anything that is digital that you can sell. You can also create your own templates, like Canva templates. You can create things with that and sell them to others. You can also freelance your marketing skills. If you're great with social media, you can create content for other people, for other companies, and put your skills to use that way. If you're good at creating ads, you could create ads for companies. So there are lots of ways to use these digital marketing skills. You can download my free guide, First Steps to Making Money Online. You'll find the link in my description. This is going to give you the tools and tips that I have been going over in this video. So please feel free to check it out, download that, and use that to help you out. You are not just earning money, you are gaining confidence and independence every day, and it's growing every day. You have financial freedom, right? You're earning a little bit of extra money, which is helping out with the finances at home. You are learning skill building. You're learning like problem solving skills, skill building. You are learning to solve problems, to come up with solutions on your own. And you have flexibility. You are able to do the digital marketing wherever it fits into your schedule and your family's schedule. There are so many benefits to being able to make money online from home. I hope you are excited to hear about all the different ways that you can make money online. If you are ready to get started, or you would just like a little more information about what I'm doing, you can go to my website. It is located in the description and in the first comment. So check out my website and see what could be yours, what you could do with your future. Once you're hooked into my emails, you can also email me any questions or ask any questions in the comment section. I look forward to hearing from you. You have everything you need to start making money online today. So take that first step. Don't hesitate. Jump in with both feet. Just remember to be consistent and to start small and grow over time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next video.